to Kids Learning Express. Today we are going to see fractions. Color of, it means 1 by 2 of each shapes. Okay, here drawn few pictures. So already what they have told, color of each shapes. It means we have to color only of. Okay, it means we have to color like this. Okay, next in this this of no, so I am making it. You can get a high mark in this max. Okay, only coloring, no, only you can off of the shapes you have to color means easily, no. So I can draw, you can get it full mark in this. Okay, like this. Next, and this octagon. Okay, like this, children, color the half of the shapes. Okay, it is over. Next, part of the whole, it means equal part. In this circle, 4 equal part we can see. This is also equal, this is also equal, this is also equal, this is also equal. 4 parts are equal. So in this circle you can see 4 parts are equal. 3 equal parts means in triangle 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is 3 equal parts. Next, 6 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 equal part. If someone is saying color 1 by 3 means you can color it 1 by 3. So if you know this only, you can color it easily. Color 2 by 6, it means you can color it 2 and leave the another part. Color 2 by 3 means you can color 2 and leave it one part. That same way, if you know this only, you can able to identify next coloring part. Okay, if you have any doubt in these fractions, you can ask me in comment, so I can clarify with you. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like and share. Okay friends, thank you for watching this video.